Are you struggling to decide which Descript plan is right for you? I'm here to help. Hello and welcome to Edit with Ease. I'm Andrea, and in today's video, I'm going to compare the features, pricing, and more to help you make the best choice for your use of Descript. You can start using Descript for free with my special link in the description below. So now let's get started. We're going to explore Descript Creator versus the Pro plan. First, let's talk about what Descript is. Descript is this amazing all-in-one platform for editing your video and audio content. And the best part about it is you can edit everything just by editing the transcript, like a Word document or a Google document. Content creators, podcasters, and marketers are loving it. And people really who don't have a lot of experience in using editing software, I tried using Filmora, but it was very difficult for me to use. In the past, I used Microsoft Word extensively, and later I began using Google Docs. And so that's why I chose to use Descript. So depending on how you're planning to use Descript, you might be able to just get away with using the free plan. You could also use the creator plan or the pro plan or even the business plan here. So for price comparisons, the creator is $12 a month, all right? And it's $24 a month for the pro. This is based on the annual pricing where you save 20%. That is what I do. I pay for it once a year and you get a better price for it that way. So if you do want to just try it out, say you have been using the free version, you used my link, you tried it out for a while and you want to upgrade, then if you want to upgrade to the creator, it's 12 times 12 months. But if you decide, hey, I want to upgrade, but I don't want to pay for a whole year, I just want to pay per month, then you can try the creator for $15 per month and the pro for $30 per month, and then switch at a later time. And so this is just a quick breakdown here. For the creator plan, you get 10 transcription hours per month. You can export in 4K with a watermark-free document, and you can use 20 uses per month of the basic AI suite, including the filler word removal, the studio sound, and drafting social posts, creating clips, and more. And I really like that create clip feature, actually. That is something that comes in handy. You're limited to 1,000-word AI speech vocabulary, though. And for the pro, it is unlimited use. And if you use AI, I'm sure you'll know that can add up quickly. And so the unlimited use is pretty valuable here. For the pro, you get 30 transcription hours a month, and you can export the same as in the creator plan as 4K and watermark free. However, you get unlimited use of the basic and advanced AI suite, including this valuable eye contact, translate captions, and 20 plus more AI features, which we will talk about down at the bottom here once we're comparing the features. So we're going to talk about the differences with each of these plans. All right, so let's just go ahead and look at these plans. For the free plan, you can use Descript for 1 hour a month. That's great if you're not going to make a whole lot of videos. Maybe you're working on creating a course and maybe your course is not very long. You can use the free plan to get that done. If you bump up to the creator, you've got 10 hours a month that you can use. And I am on the pro plan. I have 30 hours a month that I can use, and I never get to that amount. That's a lot of video editing, but there are pros and cons to each of these plans. All of the plans let you edit in 23 different languages. And these features right here detect 8 or more speakers, multi-track transcription and transcription glossary. These come with all of the plans. And so if you are a podcaster, you could still easily use this free plan for the podcast, depending on some of these other features down below that you might want to use. So for instance, for editing, you can do everything in the Pro plan, but for the free plan, you can't upload a custom font. That's never really been a problem with me. It's available in the Pro and the Business, but I suppose it depends on what you're using Descript for. But just note that for the free and the creator plan, you're not able to upload a custom font, but you have access to all the animations and all the transitions that you want to use. So here we're at the AI assistant area, and you can use the 5 uses of the basic AI suite for the free plan, and for the creator, 20 uses per month. And for the studio sound, you can use up to 10 minutes per file. If you are using this for a podcast and you want to get that pristine sound and your podcast is longer than 10 minutes, then the free plan is not going to work for you. You might want to go and bump it up to the 60-minute file that you can use for the creator plan. For the green screen on the free plan, you can use up to 10 minutes. The creator plan is 60 minutes. And unlimited for Pro. There are lots of good things about the Pro plan. All right, with the filler word removal, you can remove all those ums and ahs in the creator plan and the free plan, but you get 18 filler words and repeated words with the Pro plan. And I do have a video. I will just put a card here on the screen so you can click through to that if you want to see the video on removing filler words. The nice thing about Descript is in all of the plans, you're able to create clips for social media and highlights. You can publish your social media posts, blog posts, and show notes and summarize. You're able to shorten the word gaps, edit for clarity, remove retakes, automatic multicam, center active speaker, and image generation. That's included for all the plans. That's really good. All right, so this is the advanced AI suite, and this is where you can use the eye contact feature and the translate captions feature. So this could be a deal breaker for some people, really, because in the creator plan, you can use up to 60 minutes per file. That's actually pretty generous, but the Pro plan, it's unlimited. So if that's really important to you, then you would go with the Pro plan. Otherwise, maybe the creator plan. So for translating captions, you can't do that at all in the creator plan, but the Pro plan, you can. All right, so the professional AI suite is not available in any of these other plans. You have to get the business plan for that. I've never really felt like I was missing out at all. I do have the Pro plan, as I mentioned before, but I've never felt like I was missing with that. All right, so for the AI speech, there are the text-to-speech vocabulary. In the creator plan, you've got 1,000-word vocabulary, and for the Pro plan, it is unlimited. Okay, so that might be important to you. Remote recording hours. You get 10 hours a month for the creator plan and 30 hours for the Pro plan. And that's, again, if you are going to be doing a lot of recording. And this is per editor on your team. Okay, so here in all the plans, you can separate the audio and video tracks. 5 shows for the creator, unlimited for the Pro, integrations 2 and unlimited. Okay, so the main stage participants, it looks like it's the same for the creator and the Pro plan, 10 and 10. Here is where there is a bit of a difference. Your Dolby audio mastering, you can't do that in the creator plan, but you can in the Pro. That wasn't a deal breaker for me, but I've chose the Pro plan anyway. All right, so this is really interesting. Using the stock templates and creating and sharing custom templates, you can do that in both the creator and the Pro plan. However, it's not available in the free plan. And here's another difference, the stock library limitation. Whenever you're doing a search, you can use the first 12 search results, but you can use any of them in the Pro plan. So if you use a lot of the stock library images, you might want to go with Pro for that. Everything is the same for all the plans in the collaboration, the commenting, the live collaboration, and basic seats. And that would be if you're using this for a team. For your export and publish, it says here the watermark, you have an opportunity to export a watermark-free video, 1 video per month. Okay. And then, of course, for all the other plans, the Creator and the Pro, it's unlimited. So that's the same. And also for your video export and resolution, it's 4K for the Creator and the Pro. But when you come down here to the video publish resolution, now this is where you're going to have to make a decision. Is 1080p okay? Or do you absolutely need the 4K? For that one, for me, 1080 was fine. All right, video publishing duration limit. Okay, in the Creator, each of your videos can be 1 hour, as opposed to the Pro, which they can be up to 3 hours. All right, the audio export duration limit, it's all the same for all the plans, the shareable pages and those links, they're the same. And the difference here for the Creator, you can't do a batch file export and you can't white label your published pages. Again, that was not a deal breaker for me, but if it is, you would get the Pro. Otherwise, stick with the Creator. And for the timeline, everything is the same. You can use all of the tools for the timeline, no matter which plan you're on. Here is where you might want to really look at this, because your cloud storage limit is 100 gigabytes for the Creator plan and 1 terabyte for the Pro. And I have lots of files in my Descript cloud, and I'm not even approaching this 1 terabyte at all. And that is something that is important to me. So if you're interested in having a custom drive and page branding, maybe for your team, the Creator is not the one for you. You would want to go with the Pro plan. But for the support, I will say that Descript is really good about getting back if you have any questions. I usually use the self-serve knowledge base, but there have been times where I had a question and I needed some email support, and they have always gotten back to me quicker than 24 hours. I've never even used this chat support. I've never had to. Okay, so that is pretty much it. Now for the priority support, you're going to have to purchase the business plan for that. But like I said, they are really good with their support, and I've never felt like I needed it any quicker than I have it now. So how do these plans stack up against each other? The Pro plan has some really cool features that the Creator plan just doesn't have, that we talked about. So it depends on really what is important to you. We talked about the unlimited use of the studio sound and the 60-minute file, the unlimited use of the green screen for the Pro plan. You also get a lot more of these filler words and repeated words that you can remove, as opposed to the Creator plan, which is just ums and ahs. So I won't go down all of this again, but really just look at it and really decide what is a deal breaker, because the Pro plan is right for me. It's the one that I chose, and I have had it for many years. But if you don't do a lot of video editing, the Creator plan could be the plan for you. So to sum it up, both the Descript Creator and Pro plans are packed with a lot of good features for editing your audio and your video content. It all comes down to what you need and what your budget is. So if you're not sure, I definitely recommend starting with the free plan. You can use my link at the bottom so that you can try out Descript's features for yourself. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment below. I would be very happy to help you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you never miss any of my future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.